my favorite parks, and I was actually filming this, but then someone was kind of like waving and stuff when they were walking by, so I was like, I'm gonna refilm it, and I think they wanted to be in the video. But anyways, it looks like it's really gonna rain, so I'm gonna try and head home soon. But yeah, it's super cloudy and the raindrops, I can feel them. I saw this other YouTuber and she moved abroad as well, and she was kind of talking about making friends in other countries. Make friends with the locals specifically. I just feel like it's so important to see, I think that's what traveling is about, to see their perspective and kind of course absorb everything like a sponge, take in everything, but especially just the way that people see life here or people see life anywhere else that you're going, because it is so different, and the way they view life, the way they see the world, what they value. But I noticed, especially in Barcelona, there are a ton of meetup groups and like hiking clubs and running clubs. What else? And I saw them on Instagram, because connecting with someone in a special way is just the most valuable thing. Human connection, it's so lovely when you find your peoples, when you find the people that just, I don't know, fill up your cup so much and you feel so good around. Acting authentically, obviously, of course, will mean that you will find the people that are like you. And if you're not acting authentic to yourself, if you're not acting like your true self and you kind of pretend to be someone you're not, or try and fit in any way, then you're not going to find the people that you really click with. So always stay true to yourself, and don't be afraid. Trust me, don't be afraid to speak your mind, to move how you move, because I think people respect it a lot more, and that is the only way you will find your authentic peoples. So yes, I'm gonna head home, I'm gonna get out of this rain, and I will talk to you guys later. Excited. Hi guys, I actually just got back from the grocery store, so I thought I'd do another quick little haul. But this time I went to like a little specialized grocery store, and they had a bunch of vegan, gluten-free stuff, which I was super excited about. And I just want to run through it really quick because I thought it was really cool. First I got these cookies called Cookie Cat, and this one is chocolate chip, and this one's salted caramel. I just need things like that are quick on the go because there's like no time to eat and I can't be skipping meals. So I also got these bars. which are good for like school and stuff like that. Oh, I got bread. I finally found gluten-free bread, and I got some different spreads over here. I got peanut butter, and I got strawberry jam, but I also got like vegan Nutella. This is their kind of version of it that I found. I feel like everything I found here though, I can't really find in the more bigger grocery stores. Like this one was a little bit more niche, I feel like, because they really focused on it. And then I got Violife cheese, and I was reading the ingredients. I feel like the ingredients are different actually here versus the States, so I thought that was really interesting. I got some hummus with olive oil, and I love how the ingredients are super simple, really clean. And ooh, I finally found vegan yogurt, which is so hard to find. I was even reading online about like where to find vegan yogurt, and everyone's like, oh, good luck, it's gonna be tough, but I finally found some, and I got some granola to eat with it. So I'm gonna make some fruit bowls and stuff. And then my last items I got these like burger patties. I'll probably eat it with like a salad and I don't know, sweet potato. Like I've just been making bowls recently, and just maybe like hummus or guac on top or something. But they look pretty legit, and yeah, I think I'm very excited. Looks good. And then my last two things I got are these crackers, tamari crackers, and it's chips. I'm still on the hunt for like guac. Actually, maybe I'll go somewhere else to find some of that today. But yeah, I wanted to share. I'm very excited. I always get excited over vegan gluten-free stuff because I always want to try it and see how it is, and tell me why the options are better here than in the States. I just feel like they have way more options, and I was actually surprised to see that because I had no idea that Spain, or Barcelona at least, probably Spain too, just has so many options. Even when I go out to restaurants or cafes, like there's a lot of stuff that is marked that, which is awesome which is great for me. So yes, that's my little haul. I'm gonna put it all away. Oh, I'm gonna put it all away right now. My bread just came out of the toaster, and as for today, my plans are, I had class this morning, my Spanish class, so I had that for like 2 hours every day, and then I have other classes, but not today. I'm done for today, and then I'm just gonna go run a few errands. I'll probably I wanna go to Muji and get a notebook, like a little journal, because I'm gonna journal, and I also need some stuff for school. And then I really want to do some shopping a little bit because I was looking online, and these things are really cute, but I don't know how to ship it to my address yet. So I want to go find them in person. I'll probably go to Bershka and Zara. So I'm gonna make some of this right now. I've always been a crunchy peanut butter girl. I mean, smooth is good too, but like I feel like also if you're crunchy peanut butter, then you're also like extra pulp in your orange juice. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I am crunchy peanut butter, extra pulp. It's a personality trait. I think that's just the way it goes. Now I'm gonna put my jam on. Oh my goodness. I can't open it though. So, 1 second. I think there's this one spot in LA where they solely sell just peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And it looks really good, but it's kind of crazy how they're just selling like pb&js and people are lining up like crazy. I think there is low-key a science to it though. Like the ratio of peanut butter to jelly to bread. It's very important. I don't think I can go shopping anymore because everything I tried is so cute and really good quality. I literally have so many things like this. It's just so cute. People have been wearing a lot of jerseys recently too. So I really want one, but I don't know which one.